me crow, brother fellas mean to me. I then the wound to me. Conscious the away. And no matter the Kufa do attempt, sir. Brother fellas couldn't attempt be my brother fellas, where the casa, brother fellas. One more no, we am a brother fellas, men cocono. As someone told me, most of them manti on cow. And they were almost so Umube. On Tiamon cow, Moses, and my son, I could throw me big a crap to a penny. They see I know my inbox. Now, Papa, where you will case in a cossing, and lawyer no, say, where your car. Hey, Ghana for party. I did on a kwesi kokun, and a Kevin Taylor did the attempt, and the did on Rabu can attempt, and a one. They do their thing. They were not the people that I saw, but God was so good. God also brought people who understood what I was standing for. Now, me dinga also say, man fa many and toward us any be as na me de many 2 million coupon so. Because me de many 2 million coupon so no. Or per coin be at the boame. And crofo pi frame me ma me advice. Akwesi me de miniska me de be ma na mbom no case no yeni say me see you mate. Obi ba no ama me. Say the love I was getting from the political zone page was overwhelming. Me kai bra na me busu for ye mu hihyo mu Ghana because almost say radio gold for the news to say soldier for near police for the Rambo style. Abese Samia Frimifia enya gro. Na enkurasi for 80 year me kro 40 year. And sa MPP for the sign no mutio. Who could do my tia some ba omu beja wo na MPP for na odi o ko bitwa wofa odi o matia hwede o mo ye no and now papa Papa Skaben one farm where MPP for and I say MPP for the sign no mutio na me say you guys to shut up. Shut up. Oh, use a cell phone now, Kasa. Or they Kasa will be like on also that. Me say, yes, serve me paper. Okay? Yes, serve me paper. Any. All right? I will serve just a paper. Just so people would. Now, sir, gidi na enkrofo. Eltewa no mo dey ye mujirama NDC for Eda Damuno. The only thing they served me was a paper. Where's my court paper? My court paper no way. All they served me was a piece of paper. Yeah, court paper but all these were part of it. 80 me were jumem. And I'm secret for be frame. One more frame no mo me call downstairs. Me call downstairs no mo say a police for be person omuni me dim komo. And a police for no omo ma me chance say me no mo nim komo. And almost say and again, I repeat, Yamfa handcuff and women sa man kode jail, manji bail. Because and then I'm show video be Papa gyimifui bi jina I say, and a girl na buy na girl na beke ina on the on China again into me will be and to me me foku. My country dada. I'm not a coward. I'm not a cartel watch wearer. Me a bold guy. You understand? Because I have no hidden intentions to destroy nobody. I only came to present the fact as they were. Because according to somebody, the president was calling her left, right, center, now Omiano. Also, text message I was sending here over 67 text messages here. Now what General was saying what they my president and for your information. Gyimifui ni bi amukoto sa story na mo gene say mo be man is scam and dia ye ma me kan kire. The president does not call on any number. O free president ya yemfa number na free back. You get an unknown number. The number is always blocked. Ask anybody who knows about security apparatus. Any official call, there is a transcript that is recorded. I president ne friend me cry I'm my busy maybe I have my things doing to me crazy Jimmy. The president is chasing you and yet you are there chasing the president for a whole year straight. And because the president doesn't give you the chance to fool the way you want to fool, you make a call to London and tell the people of London, say, me bring the MPP down. Adia na Akufo-Addo ayemeno, me bring the MPP down. And he didn't even give me face when I went there to talk to him. He didn't give me space. He acted like he doesn't even see me before. He drove me out.
Me
bow first. Me can't say, maybe I know. Sure. Say your papa hopes in po, and why you BB. And now, now, well, everybody who remember my first video, go and see. So I don't know why you be there. My now because I'm over Kaya. Honorable hopes in Eddie dance here. Earlier on, now my video, Eddie fire no heavy on that same issue. And to Sankanuponia, sister, let's work together. And then I'm Sika. Any fame I'll pass a winner. Hey, girl now, or yeah, saying again, and that's what you any so. And then what you any so. Tata, somewhere say you will bring the government down, you will bring the government down, and you will bring the government down. But God is a faithful God. God is a faithful God. And I'm a crowd here, a baby, not president no of France and of Freme, and I'm a some media my hey, sir. Hey, what you want this, sir? Sister. Hey, now say me ba me kura na and then me dry Akufo-Addo Freme. Now brother na go pon no pampas ya ko sisi a. Wonko. Aboa na president fra wonko. Wonko say. Na enya president bi aso keke na efrɛ. The best president so far na efrɛ. But nyame on chatro. And it is this day. We text message here. Now we're going to say what the sabe Nana Akufo-Addo Biano, they were all not going to him. That is why you didn't get a reply. So if you want to know why we message because it is Gumaha, and we shall show it when the time comes for us to show our evidence. Not a single hello, how are you doing came from the president to you, because anybody who know Akufo-Addo Dan Kwabudan in himself on text it. He doesn't text. He does not text. And I'm a president and a texting. God forgive you. God forgive you. Now, now you were busy spoiling somebody's life. Because she said she was saying it. She didn't say it early because she didn't want somebody to lose the election. That was very stupid of you. Then you shouldn't have even talked about it at all. Then you should have waited, wrote a book. You live in Canada. You have publishers around. Any smart thinking person. You could have written a book. You understand? And the fact said, something is implicated on the president. You will